everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great and welcome to It's the Lil Things. In this video, I'm going to give reviews of these sheet masks. I have just right now uploaded a video on unboxing these sheet masks, and I thought why not to give a proper and a lengthy review of these sheet masks because I want you guys to know how much useful they are and all the good things about these masks. First thing I want to say is I have used them before as well, and I was totally in love with these masks. So back then I ordered 14, I guess, and today I just ordered 6. There is always a sale on these masks, like buy 3 get 3 free. So I got these on that sale, and there is always like buy 5 get 5 for free, buy 7 get 7 for free. I suggest that you don't buy these masks without sale, because the MRP of each mask is rupees 100, but when you buy these on sale, then you get each for rupees 50, which is quite reasonable. And the other thing is that once you apply these masks, after applying these masks, the skin feels so hydrated and moisturized. That is why I wanted to show you guys, and that's all. So let's just start. So first of all, I'll be reading about these masks. So the first one is here. It is the black mud aloe vera for purified hydrated skin. So this one is the charcoal face mask, and the ingredients, they are written here. If you want to read, I can attach the ingredients for all these. I'll be attaching a photograph somewhere on the screen. And this one is the black mud plus aloe vera, and on the top they have written a bit of introduction. Then they have given you instructions, that is how to use. Unfold and lay over clean and tone skin. So you can either cleanse your skin, or you can also apply toner before applying this. Then relax for 10 to 15 minutes, remove the mask and gently pat excess serum onto your skin until fully absorbed. So ingredients are mentioned, then caution that you should not do. It says for external use only, avoid contact with the eyes. In case of the contact with eyes, rinse immediately with water. Keep out of reach of children. Avoid exposure to low or high temperature. Do not use on children under 3 years of age. So I must say that don't use on children at all. So use immediately after opening, so just use it after opening. And it also is made in Korea, which is a good thing because I am a bit of fan of Korean products, so maybe that is why I really like these. The next one, it is the coconut turmeric and coconut face mask, and it's for radiant skin. And the ingredients are different, instructions and questions are the same, and on the top they have given a bit of introduction. The next one is lemon and honey, and it's for glowing and clear skin, so it's mostly used for tanning purpose. The next is rice and camellia, and it's for nourished plus radiant skin, because rice helps to nourish your skin and camellia brings the radiance. And the next one is pearl plus hyaluronic acid, and it's for glowing plus moisturized skin. The next one I have here is rice water plus white tea, which is for firm plus toned skin, and it's going to be great before applying makeup. And I'll just be applying one of these right now. So I have decided to open this up, and this one is the turmeric plus coconut for a revitalized plus radiant skin. So I guess I'll just open it up. You can either tear it out with the scissors, or you can just tear this packet with your hands. There is a lot of serum inside of these packets. So one thing I have learned after buying these masks is that don't throw this serum away. After this serum, it is like too much for one time use. So what you can do is you can apply this mask and save this serum for the later use in the refrigerator, and then whenever you will be in the need of applying the mask again, you can drop a tablet mask in a face mask in this, and you can just apply that sheet mask. Now I'll be showing you what it is like from inside. So before that, I'll be packing it up. The liquid from the mask is already dropping off, so you can see how much liquidy this is. So I'll be dropping these tablets inside whenever I'll be in the requirement of using this mask again. So now I'll be unmasking this and I'll be showing you. This mask has been in the perfect shape of a face, and it can definitely fit my face. It can fit on any face, so that's how it was made. So it's really it has a really good shape. So it has been more than 15 minutes since I was applying this face mask. So this face mask was too good. It hadn't even gone dry after like 20 or 25 minutes, because that is the time for which I have been applying that on my face, and it was still not dry. And after that, I felt like my skin is glowing, and it's so moisturized, and I'm really loving my skin right now. It's so super duper moisturized. And if you just want to do your makeup after applying this mask, you can definitely go for that, because your skin is properly toned and moisturized. And but don't apply excess of this. If there is excess of this liquid on your face, just massage it on your face, because the makeup, it won't remain after you have applied a lot of liquid on your face. So just apply the right amount, and that's it. And there is still liquid inside, so I'll be using that for some other day. And one more thing I want to tell you, that the fragrance of this coconut, it is so good. It's just like the fresh coconut. So I am a lot into coconut fragrance, and its fragrance, it is super duper good. So I guess if I'll ever be into ordering a new face mask, then I'll just get this one again, because its fragrance, oh my god, it's like the fresh coconut, as I already said. So yeah, that's all from my side. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and just like, share and subscribe, and also comment below. That's all from my side. Bye, take care.